Hello, everyone. Hello, please,
Hello.
Yeah, please, if you are seeing my screen, please, can you just say hi in the chat so that I know that everything is okay before we start the presentation. Just say hi. And if you don't have any, if you don't see my screen, please let me know you don't see my screen. Okay, some people are saying hi now. Some of us as just we are just joining. So please, if you don't see my screen, I'm sharing a screen already. If you don't see the screen, that means something is not okay. Then you have to let me know, everyone, so that I know you are seeing my red screen.
See a beautiful photo of yourself.
Thank you for that. Okay, the presentation is going to kick off now. We have out of 75 people in the group, we have 18 people in the house, which is okay for me to go. If I thought we have only one person, I'm fine. Today, I'm going to talk about technical aspect of approach to IPC. And I want everybody to listen carefully. And I will not waste anybody's time. I just have only 45 minutes. So it's a very quick one and very comprehensive one. It's going to be different from what every one of us have been seeing or been hearing so far we joined the program. The first thing I'm going to tell you, please, this is an opportunity for everyone to get financial upliftment. I'm a forex trader since 2002. I've developed 3 robots in South Africa, and I've developed 4 powerful industrial indicators in South Africa. Some people are using my software to trade Johannesburg Stock Exchange, which we know as JSC. So I'm not baby in the industry, but everybody cannot trade forex, but everybody can invest in forex. So if you are one of the people that you cannot trade forex, it's not a crime for you to invest in forex. But the blunt truth is this: every program has entrance point and exit point. Before I start, if any of your friends invite you to join this program, please do everything to join. Call your family, your wife. If your kids are of age, ask them to join it. But please be wise. Don't be greedy. Do everything, do your planning, do your structure, and whatever thing anybody introduced to you and you join, either positive or negative results, don't blame anybody for it. Just blame yourself. IPC is a program that started between July and June 2021. One of my friends called me from United States of America, and I took my time to study it from July until August. And when I got convinced enough, I started inviting my friends. I started inviting my friends. And most of you that you are here tonight, you are invited by those I've invited to join me. If anything happened, don't blame any friend that invited you to join a successful program. IPC, they got license with Canadian government, which we call Fintech. And Canadian government doesn't approve anything if it's not genuine. 2 or 3 weeks ago, IPC got a license from ASIC, Australian government. Australian government, they are very strict. They don't approve any license that is not genuine. This has given every one of us a confidence to put money into the program. That is why I called most of my friends, and most of my friends called you guys to join us. because we have 2 licenses that gave us a confidence.
In 200 meters.
But please do all your due diligence to do investigation. I don't want anybody to come and blame anyone in future. Any money you are getting from IPC, please reinvest it into another thing. Reinvest it to another thing that will keep your financial situation stable. I'm not saying IPC is going to collapse. I'm telling you, we have exit points for every program in life. Even we human beings, we have expiring dates, which is our exit point. As human beings, that is the day we sleep, we don't wake up. That's the day we die and we go to grave. So everything in life have exiting point. Don't be greedy. Any money you cannot afford to lose, don't put it in IPC. Any profit?
How many of you?
Please, if you are talking to people, please mute your mic so that you don't disturb the whole house. You have to respect webinars. I know people that are talking is from Nigeria. Nigerians are always like that. I'm a Nigerian too. But you have to you have to do everything. You have to respect any platform. If your family and friends are talking, they are watching movie, mute your mic. You don't need to hear your...
That person is speaking Zulu, not Nigeria.
I know. Nigeria is common. I belong to a lot of international platforms. Everybody complain about us. I'm a Nigerian as well.
That's true. You are right, sir.
So please respect every platform. We don't have any interest with your wife voice or your kids' voice. Mute. Thank you, everyone. So as I was saying, please, anybody that loves you, we invite you to join this program. But please don't blame anybody for any misfortune you meet along the way. Any money you cannot afford to lose, don't put it on IPC. Any profit you are making now, please reinvest it with wisdom. Opportunity you have now can make many people rich. The person that invited me to this to this platform of IPC, the guy is getting $50,000 every day. Every Saturday. $50,000 is 750,000 rand in a week. Multiplied by 4, that's 3 million rand in a month. So I can't blame him because he invited me to come and to become a successful person. So I have to plan myself carefully. And that's why we are doing all the effort to find error, to find anything that can make us suspect IPC. I'm a typical technical person. Anybody that raised hands now is after the question and answering and question. That's the item number 5 on the program. So I won't answer any question now. So that is the first thing I have to say before I start sharing my screen. So now, how can we know that if IPC is real genuine? I'm going to talk about how to set up your IPC account on MT4 for Windows. We have a lot of programs that are running and they are paying us, but we cannot confirm exactly what they are doing with their money. IPC said they are trading they are trading financial instruments with our money, and we are following them. Is it true? They told us they have Canadian license, Fintech. I've confirmed that is true. You can confirm that as well. I've sent a PDF document of IPC on the group. Download it, and you can confirm that as well. That is true. I've confirmed it. And they said they have ASIC license from Australia. That is true. I've confirmed it. But that is not enough. I went further to check if, as a trader, as a software developer, I check again if they are really trading with our money. Okay, some people are on the waiting list. Let's quickly accept them. I'm sorry. Let me admit them, okay? So that is why I put up all the technical way that we can make us know maybe they are really trading with our money. And it takes a technical know-how to know that. It takes a technical know-how to know that. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, because I said I'm a forex trader, I've developed a lot of industrial software that many people are using to make money. Then if I find myself in this kind of situation, then I have to go further than all the investors. Like I said, many people can invest in forex. Not everybody can trade forex because of its technical know-how. So now I'm going to share my live account that I'm trading with my own software first, and I'm going to use it to show us how you can know if truly IPC is trading forex with our money. So now I'm going to close this screen you are seeing. I'm going to share another screen. Okay. So let me share another screen with us. This is the screen I want to share. Please, can you tell me if you see a trading platform screen? I just need 1 or 2 people to confirm if you are seeing a trading.
We can see.
Good. This is my live account. This is a Palm account I'm managing, and some people are.
I can see.
Good.
You can see.
Yes, this is not IPC trading account. This is my own personal trading account that I'm trading with my software. Everything you are seeing on this chart is my software that I developed myself. So I want to use my software. I want to use this broker, this live account, to show us how we can see if IPC is trading with our money, or they are manipulating us by giving us profit, but they didn't do what they asked, what they told us they are doing. So the
sorry, sir. People said they are waiting in the waiting room.
Oh, okay. Let me quickly check. They came late, so they can't blame me. I'm already in motion to go. Okay. Yes, I've accepted people who are in the waiting room. I've accepted them. I've not seen anyone again. I'll be checking my group WhatsApp. Okay. Now, I think everybody is in the house now. Now, if we want to know if truly IPC is using our money to trade financial markets, and if they are doing that, that gives us another solid confidence that our money is used right way. So this is my own live account. I'll click on my history account. This is my history account. This is what I made for some times. But to not waste our time, I want to go to 3 days ago statement. So this is 3 days ago statement. And how do I know if I'm doing the right thing? Today is 15. These are the trades that my software placed yesterday, Friday. So I'm going to click on this account and I'm going to drag it to this chart. When I drop it on the chart, let me admit somebody is there waiting for me. Okay. So when I drag it to the chart, what does it show? It shows me something here. You can see here. You see this small arrow shows that my software placed trade yesterday, 14, and it placed this trade at 7:48 p.m. and it closed at the profit of 90 cents at 11 p.m. yesterday. So this is a live account that I'm trading myself. We want to do the same thing with IPC. We want to see if truly they are trading with our money. So this is a way I try to confirm if IPC use our money for what they claim they are using our money for. And if truly they do the same thing, then my confidence increases again, apart from seeing their licenses from Canada and from Australia. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to make sure we log into IPC server, MT4 server with our laptop. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come here and I'm going to say login to trading account. Then when I come here, you need to give me a little time because I try to, okay, let me say new account. Let me see, log into, or let's say open an account. Okay, let me say open an account. Then I scroll down. You can do the same thing. I'm going to record this so that you don't get it right. You can watch the video later. Then you see add new broker. Then I'm going to click this and I'm going to click intelligence, Prime. Let me scan for it. I pray I should see it. Let me see if I will see it. If I don't see it here,
the spelling is wrong.
Okay, the price. Okay, intelligence Prime. Can we confirm if it's right now, please? I'm not a grammarian. I'm a mathematician. Please, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, let me scan again. Good. We can see we saw Intelligence Prime Capital demo and live. We are concerned with live. Then I'm going to say next. Now, existing accounts, because I have account with them. So now, please, I'm not going to share this area. It's a sensitive area. So let me quickly go to the place. Did you see my screen, please?
Yeah, we can see.
What did you see?
Login existing trade account. Login.
That means you didn't see my detail. That's good. Then I put my login detail. Then I'm going to put my password. Then I'm going to say finish. Let's see if I will be able to log into them, to their server. Correct. I managed to log into IPC server. Did you see, guys? Please answer me when I'm asking questions so that I will know that I'm talking.
We can see.
Good.
Yes.
Good. This is my IPC account. You can see on top, IPC Prime Live, Intelligence Prime Capital, and this is my trading statement. This is my trading statement. I'm going to load everything. I want to load all the history. We can't just be rejoicing that we are making profit. We need to know if these people use our money for what they claim they are using our money for. It's very important. So now this is my statement. And if you look at here, I put $100 in December 12, 2021. That is exactly the day I joined IPC. And you see the statement, this is $100. Until yesterday. Yesterday was 14 January 2022. You can see here, confirmed. And today, Saturday, the system withdraw my profit, which is $105 yesterday. Today, which is okay. And my profit is 1,505.37. I'm confirming to you is true. And total withdrawal they have done in 1 month, I joined them, is $383. Correct.
283.
$283. Correct. I will tell you is 100% correct. So now, let me see. They placed 3 trades yesterday. They placed Australian dollar they bought, Euro, USD they bought. We want to see, is this trade original or they are manipulating us? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the first trade on the chart. Correct. Now, if you look at here, that means IPC is 100% trading. If you look at there, this is a trade they placed yesterday. Let me put it on the 30 minutes chart. This is what they placed yesterday. Insert shape. If you look at this shape, this is their trade yesterday. They bought and they sold here. So definitely IPC, they are not faking the trade. I've already confirmed this with my live account that is not IPC. So now this is IPC server. This is IPC MT4 server. Definitely they are trading. I'm going to put the second trade on the chart again. You see, this is second trade. They enter here and they came out A. Definitely the trade. I'm going to put Euro USD on the chart. It's loading. Let me go to 1 hour because the server is closed down. So yeah, good. 1 hour. Look at it here. Look at Euro USD. This is where they place the trade. They sold here and they closed the profit here. Correct. So definitely IPC, they are using our money to trade live markets. This is another confidence I'm having in them.
So they're basically scalping the market.
Yes, they are scalping the market, but the strategy they are using is what we call arbitrage. I know what is called arbitrage. Some of us may not know arbitrage. I've been trading since 2002. I know a lot of strategy. So they scalp the market and they are using arbitrage. So the item number 1 is correct. Then how to confirm truly if IPC is using our money for live trade is correct. They are using our money for live trade. How to print MT4 trading statement. That's item number 3. I don't want to waste anybody's time. Now, if you look at this is my statement. You right click on the statement and you click all history. After you log into your server or your laptop, then you right click on this and you say save a detailed report. Then I'm going to save a detailed report on my desktop and I'll call it IPC. Okay, no, I'm not going to. Okay, IPC statement. Then I'll say, okay. Then from here, the statement is going to pop up. It's going to pop out on my screen, but it has already popped out. I'm going to stop what I'm sharing with you and share the statement with every one of us. Then I'm going to share the screen again. Statement. Okay, this is statement. Sharing. Please, can you confirm you saw my statement? Can you confirm? 1 or 2 people to confirm?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
No, I can see.
Good. This is a statement of IPC. I joined IPC 12 December 2021 with $100. And you can never see me depositing money again till today. I did not deposit apart from this $100. But like I said in my group, I roll over. All these are rolling over from my commission of referral. And I roll over. This is my statement. I keep on rolling over. I keep on trading until I got up to $1,505 in 1 month. And if you look at each year, deposit is $1,222. That is all the money I've rolled over so far. So it's good for you to roll over during the day and weekend. During the day, you roll over the money that you are making from your referral commission. And on Saturday, you can roll over the money you are getting from your profit. That's the way I've been doing. And you can see it's a good method for me to grow my investment. My capital has grown in 1 month from $100 to $1,505. This is my equity now. And now, let's analyze this trade. So far, since I joined IPC have placed 75 trades. And they have 31 trade, 100% for short position. And they have 75 trade, 100% in buying position. 44% trade in buying position, 100%. What is my drawdown? I have 0 drawdown for a month. This is amazing. Even as a professional trader I am, there's no way I will not have a drawdown in a month. But with IPC, I have 0 drawdown. And if you look at average consecutive win, out of 75 trades in place, I won 75 trades. Consecutive losses, please, if your family are talking behind you, mute your mic. Consecutive losses, I lost 0 throughout the month. I won't lie to you, there's sometimes IPC lose in the markets. But month of December 12th to January 12th, that make me 1 month in the IPC, they didn't lose. And if you look at the chart, you see the chart is growing. So this gave me more confidence. So now this trading statement, I can use it to promote IPC with my link. What will I do? I'm going to send this to friends and family that I have a company that can trade for you and you can get good results. And I will send this trading report to them. So with this, you can use it to market yourself. So option 3 is correct. How to analyze risk reward investment, which is option 5, is correct because that's what I'm doing now. Maximum drawdown is 0. That means IPC doesn't use my capital as a drawdown. You can see relative drawdown is 0. Out of 75 trade, they won 75 times in a month. You understand what I'm saying here? So this is how to analyze the market. This is how to analyze, are they using a very reliable bot or software to trade my money? Answer is 100% correct. Now I'm going to option 4, how to analyze risk and reward, which I've done now. I'm going to option 5, which is question and answer. Now, if you have any question, please ask me. I'm going to answer you. And I'm going to have 5 minutes to do that. You can open your mic and tell your wife and your kids not to talk. Please, if you have any question, can you ask me now? Then I will answer it. Mr. Andrew, you raise up your hand. What is the question, please?
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, you're welcome.
My question is, I learned we can take 80% of our capital at any time.
Yes.
How do we do that? Because I see you cannot transfer from MT4 to wallet.
You can do that. You can transfer from MT4 to wallet.
I tried to do it today. It didn't allow me.
Yes. Don't do any transfer on Saturday. People are busy withdrawing their money. The site is busy with traffic. Most time when you want to do that, do it on Sunday before 12 midnight.
Okay, that's from MT4 to wallet.
Yes, sir.
Because he's saying this, if you are doing a follow trade, it's not allowed or something.
No, it's allowed. Somebody yesterday lost $5,000 on Friday. Even on Friday, anything from 6 p.m., 7 p.m. on Friday, you can move money from MT4 to your wallet. Because a scammer scammed one of our members yesterday with $5,000. They withdrew the money 7 p.m. on Friday and they succeeded. If you are on the platform
from MT4 to wallet.
Yes, they succeeded and they withdrew the money. If you go to the wall, if you go to the group, the owner of the money, the owner of the account advised all of us. She posted everything there today. So anytime from Friday, from 5 p.m. Nigerian time, 6 p.m. South African time, you can withdraw from MT4 until Sunday 11 to 30 to 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. on Sunday.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I saw some hands up again. Can I call these people? I don't know what's wrong with mine. Okay. If your hands is up, please. I can't see. Maybe it's because I'm using web version of the. Okay. Let me see who are people that their hands are up. Please, can somebody who is raised up on their hands, can the person just ask question, please?
I want to ask, how can I fund my MT4 account?
Okay, Amida. Yes, you can fund your account by creating a local broker. I think I told you last time, you have to create a broker, especially in South Africa, create a account with altcoin trader, verify your account, buy USDT, transfer it to Binance, and from Binance, the reason why you transfer from altcoin to Binance is because IPC use TRC20 network, and Binance, altcoin use BEP20 network. So you can't use BEP20 to transfer to TRC wallet. It's a bit technical. I think I need to do a webinar on that. But that is the only thing you can do. You move money from your local broker to Binance, because Binance was TRC20 wallet network, then from Binance to IPC. I think I need to do my next webinar will be on how to move money from your local broker to IPC. So I can meet you during the week personally to help you to put you through. Mr. Emmanuel.
Okay.
Mr. Emmanuel. Mr. Emmanuel, your hands is on. Mr. Adia Lola Aremu, because Mr. Emmanuel is not answering.
Yes, Emmanuel is talking, sir.
Okay, Emmanuel, please.
Hello, can you?
I'm hearing you now.
Yes, yeah. I've got 2 questions to ask. Number one is almost the same thing with the last question you just answered. Okay. That if I want to transfer money to my wallet, like for instance, now I want to transfer US dollars as into add to my capital that I'm using as an investment.
You must have
How do I do it?
You must have a local broker. Hello, everyone. As you are rejoining, are you hearing my voice? Are you hearing my voice? Yes, good. Mr. Emmanuel, are you there? Have you rejoined us? Mr. Emmanuel, have you rejoined us? I know you are asking questions. Hello, everyone. Any other person with a question while we are waiting for Mr. Emmanuel to join us again? Are we there? Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any other question from anyone? While we are waiting for Mr. Emmanuel.
The MT4 platform where you log in with your Intelligence Prime details, which one do we download that from where?
You can download you can download any MT4 platform, any broker, any broker so far. Just make sure you do the same thing I did to make sure you have access to your Prime Capital.
Okay.
Yes. Any other question, please? Okay, Amida, are you still do you still want a question do you still want to ask a question, Amida?
Yes.
Okay, I'm listening.
I still don't know how to withdraw my profit.
It's easy to withdraw your profit. It's very, very easy to withdraw your profit. You are not the one doing that yourself. To withdraw your profit, you have to, the system will withdraw your profit for you every Saturday. So you can either roll over your profit or you withdraw your profit to your local broker. But Amida, the challenge you have now is that you don't have local broker, because I remember I'm the one that help you fund your account. So the first thing you need to do is to create an account with your local broker, your local crypto exchanger, I mean. Is that clear?
Okay.
So during the week, I think I should be able to help you for that. Mr. Emmanuel, I can see you are back. Can you continue with your question? Quick one. Mr. Emmanuel, I can see you are
Yes,
back.
sir.
Can you please continue with your
Yeah,
question?
I think, okay, sir. Now, that was my first question, and I think you have attended to it. But what I just want to solicit for is probably you can make an arrangement with me one-on-one just to put me through. That is number one question.
Okay.
Then my second question. Hello, can you hear me, sir?
I'm hearing you clearly. I'm hearing you clearly, Mr. Emmanuel, if your network is still okay.
Hello? Oh, okay, sir. My second question is, I was with a friend today, and I was explaining to him what I don't really have much knowledge about it, you know. But he was trying to tell me that he's been trading forex for some years, and he's not been making any profit. Then how am I sure that this is not a scam?
Okay.
There's nothing I didn't tell him. There's nothing I didn't tell him. He didn't want to believe me. But eventually he said, okay, number one, I should add him to the WhatsApp group. That's number one, so that you can see. And secondly, he said, okay, he wouldn't mind to start with 5,000 rand. I told him even 5,000 rand is even too much. You can start with $100, and you just need to buy the boat, you know.
Yeah.
So my worry, my concern now is how do I mean allow him to join under me, because he in fact is concerned about me that if anything goes wrong, he's going to hold me responsible. And I'm just trying to give him my word that okay, I only joined this group not too long, but I've been able to see things around. And even especially Mr. I don't know his name, but I used to see Lagola Property. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed with his investment. I even show him his own statement and everything. So how will I send the link to him so that he can join under me, so that I can be mentoring him, even though with the little experience I have, then I can also fall back on you if there's any information I will need to have from you.
Good. Mr. Emmanuel, let me tell you something first. Nothing venture in life, nothing gain. If anybody tells you that he want to do investments, when he's making profits, he doesn't share the profit with you. But whenever he has a problem, you have to refund his money. Please stay away from that kind of person. That kind of mindset is not a good mindset.
Okay.
You understand? I put money in many investments in my life. I believe anybody that called me for investment, my due diligence is to check everything that I'm satisfied. If I'm making money, I will thank my friend that invited me. If I lose money, I don't need to go back to my friend to refund me. So if you want somebody, don't be desperate. I don't force people to join this program. That is why I'm taking my time to do all this webinar. I'm doing technical webinar. I'm not promoting. I'm just telling you what gave me confidence to put my money there. So if somebody wants to join you and that person gives you a condition that if I make profit, I'm not going to share with you. But if I make losses, you are going to refund me. Stay away from that kind of mindset. It's the mindset of a poor people. The richest man in the world today is Elon Musk. Go and look at his profile. He has risked more than enough thing. He has made a lot of losses in life, but he didn't give up until he became the richest man in the world. And what did he do? He bought crypto. Crypto is what many people call a scam, and crypto is what makes Elon Musk to become a richest man in the world. So anybody who don't want to shoulder his responsibility, he want to put a blame on his friend, stay away from the person. You don't need to force yourself. That's my answer for that. I'm so blind. I'm so blunt about that. Yes. I think I've answered you.
Yes, sir. Then you have not answered the first question. My first question is, although you have answered it from the previous person that asked
Your
the
first question has been
about
answered. Go
funding.
and open a local
Yeah.
broker, go local exchange so that you can move money from your country to IPC. That has been answered.
Okay,
Yeah,
it has been answered. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Mr. Sino. Mr. Sino?
Okay.
Yes, sir. How are you doing?
I'm good, Mr. Sino. It's been long. I have
Good, good. I just want to find out the support number that you shared on the group with the other members. That Mr. Nati, that everybody anybody get hold of him in person already, because I believe there's a few people that struggle to get any response from him. So that's my question, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Zaino, the contact I gave in the group is, the name of the guy is Nate. Nate is working inside IPC office in Canada. So any problem, any issue you have, I don't need to hide it from anyone. Once you have account with them, you should be able to talk to the company directly. So sometimes because of load of questioning and answering, it may come back to you late, a bit late, but be patient. Anytime you just save the contact of that guy on your mobile phone, on your WhatsApp, he answer as fast as possible and gave solution to every problem. Did you understand that? Yes, sir.
Yes, I understand it. Thank you. I'm not in need of Mr. Knight. I'm just asking on behalf of other people as well.
Good. Anytime you sign up people, please transfer the net number to the person so that anybody that puts money in the platform can have access directly to IPC Canadian office directly.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Olahari, please, it's your turn. Any question, please?
Yeah, Mr. Lafemon, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Mr. Harry, my boss in Royal Q Clubhouse.
Mr. Harry from Clubhouse, yeah, okay. How are you doing?
Yeah, so
I really appreciate you. You've really shed more light to most of the things we want to know. Okay. Now, what I want to ask is, now, when it comes to volume,
yeah,
if IPC complaint has 100,000 customers tomorrow, do you think the bot can handle such amount of trading volume?
Good. That's a technical question. That's a very smart question. Let me tell you how forex brokerage work. They have different products. We have copy trade, we have follow trade, we have IP. Some people even called me that if IPC is paying so much, how are they making profit? IPC is not sharing their spread with us. And from your profit, they take 20%, they pay you 80%. So IPC does not even suffer to make profit, more than enough profit from us. Now, if they have 1 billion customers, the smart thing that they did is that they have their own MT4 server. Why do they do that? We have what we call something a latent. It's a technical word to connect server. Let me tell you what is a latent. You see, like I showed you my broker last time, which is Eastern Forex. I'm running a PAM account with them. If you want to copy me, if you love the way I trade, you want to copy my trade, and instead for you to be on Instant FX, you'll be on FX time in Nigeria. Anytime you want to follow me, there's what we call latent network. You are going to, if I'm making profit and I'm scalping, most of the people that follow me are going to make loss because it takes some milliseconds for your broker to be, for your broker server to allow to copy me. But the smart thing IPC does is that they created their own MT4. So all of us are in the same network. So if they place buy, everybody that follow them we copy buy instantly. If they make sell, everybody on the platform makes sell instantly. There's no latency problem.
Okay. It sounds like a centralized fund. So internally they will now split the money with the investors. Is that how it works?
No. what happened is when the bot has capability to know everybody's capital individually. Because, like, for example, I'm telling you now, I'm doing a PAM account with account I showed you before. So everybody that have account and fund it, when they want to join me, they transfer their money to me. But IPC, your money is in your MT4. You didn't transfer to them. So it's not a centralized money anymore. Everybody has his own money. But the robot have access to check everybody's balance. That is why you see that some people lot size is 5 lots, while some people is 0.01. Because now the robot is smart enough to check your balance and put appropriate lot size for your balance. So if it is a decentralized, that means you won't see your lot size trading your own money. Your money must have left your MT4. Your MT4 will be 0. Then the money goes to them. It's every month when they finish, your capital come back to you, your profit come back to you. That is what I'm doing presently with people that invested with me. That's why I started from my own live account to IPC. So IPC doesn't use centralized. Your money is in your MT4, but they use a smart robot that could be able to, in milliseconds, calculate your capital and allocate an appropriate lot size for you.
Okay, because it's inside their own MT4. It's not like a connected broker.
Good, correct, bros.
Okay. Not a connected broker.
Yeah.
Within their own server is more faster because everybody's inside their server.
Yes, there's no latency problem because all of us are their clients inside the server.
Okay, whenever money is being made and it looks a bit reliable, we need to look in depth at their back end, all those areas. You understand? Just to have more confidence. It still doesn't mean that we should not trade with caution or invest with caution. You understand? But if you understand all those parts, it builds more confidence. It builds if people ask us those questions, we can attend to them.
Correct.
Thank you very much. That's fair. That's
correct. Thank you, Mr. Lahari. Any other question before we call it today? Because this is the last part of the section. Any other question, please?
Yeah. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir. Who am I talking to?
Yeah. My name is Nana Adewale. I'm joining you guys from Cape Town.
Okay, Adewale Nana, that's good.
Good. I would like to know more about IPC. Are they a registered broker? Are they just an investment company? What exactly are they? And how do they separate their various services? In multi-level marketing, trading, and all that. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Adewale Nana, you are a big forex trader. You are my good friend. I know you. We grew up together as a forex broker. As a forex trader. So to answer your question appropriately, I'm going to show us another screen because intellectual person like you always give people like us a few problems. So I will take time to attend to your question. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to share another screen with every one of us, please. And this is the screen I'm going to share. And please tell me if you see my screen, guys. It's called MQL5 screen.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I'm part of MQL5 platform for over 10 years now. So MQL5 is a company that developed MQ4 platform and MQ5 platform. So now I'm going to do something for every one of us to see, so that I will answer Mr. Signals. I will answer Mr. Adewale Nana appropriately. If you see all this screen, these are the traders all over the world that are managing people's accounts all over the world. These are the signals. So what the difference between these people? Let me go to MT4. This is MT5 signals. Let me go to MT4. I normally offer signals here before as a forex trader. I'm so sorry, to make money, to make extra income in my knowledge. So these are the people that are trading for people. You can see this person, he has made 5,371% for all his followers, and so on and so forth. So according to your question, Mr. Nana, what IPC does is that they created, instead for people to copy their trade like these people, they don't do it like this. They bought their own MT4 server from a reputable company like MQ5 company. This is the company that created all the MT4 we are using in the world and all the MT5.
That's right.
Yeah. So they created this after they got their license from Canada, after they got their license from Australia, which is ASIC. Now what they did is that they bought their own MT4 server from this company, so that only people that are their clients will be on that server. But if you look at these people, here, somebody can be in FSTM and somebody from Eastern Forest is copying them. And this kind of people, they have a lot of problem. Why the copier, the person copy is paying. Look, if you look at the first person, if you want to copy this person, you pay $57 per month. You understand? And some people will still complain that I can't copy, I pay $57, but I can't copy your trade. Why can't they copy the trade of this person after they pay? Because there's a lot of littering. Please, somebody, your daughter is making noise. Somebody, your daughter is making noise off your mic. Respect other people. So what happened is that this person is selling a signal like IPC. IPC just sell a signal to us. This person is trading with his own robot or trading, have his own strategy. But he's selling a signal of $57 per month to anybody who wants to copy this. But imagine this person is using a broker in Russia and somebody using a broker in Nigeria. For example, FSTM. You want to copy this person. And you cannot copy this person every time he plays a trade. Or you copy this person, the person make a profit and you make a loss. What causes? Technical problem, which is a latency, speed between the two brokers. So what IPC does is that they put all of us on the same server. So everybody has equal speed. That's number one. Number two, they now said, okay, we have a networking program where we can network all of you, that you can make extra income apart from your capital. So what they do is, when I refer you, Mr. Nana, with my capital, with my referral link, you log in, they give me 30% of your commission, and not from your profit. Don't make a mistake. If your profit in a month is $10, 30% of $10 is about 3.333. They won't give me 3.33 from your money. You make your 10%, your $10, and they will give me equivalent 30% of their $10 from what? From their spread. I normally tell people how this thing works. In 2000, and let me see if I can quickly do that here. I'm sorry, Alpha Trader, yes, alphatrade.com. I'm an IB to Alpha Trade platform in something in 1 month, because some people ask me, this is a scam. How can they make so much money? How can you people make so much money in a month, in a week? I will tell you, forex broker make fortune per day from spread. On this Alpha Trade, I make $2,000 withdraw as an IB in a month. If I can make that, and I have how many clients? I have only 3 clients on Alpha Trade. And let me quickly see if I can quickly do that. Alpha Trade, affiliate IB. I will log into my account. I don't care, because when you know something, you should be able to do that. Let me see if I can show Mr. Nana this. So to me, no, this is not what I'm looking for. Okay, let me quickly do something here. Let me come to my, let me see, Alpha Trade, because I don't want to, okay, Alpha Trade affiliate dashboard. I'm going to show us this. And you will see what I make in 1 month. I will draw up to close to $2,000. $2,000 in a month. That is how IB networking work on the broker. So if you look at, okay, good. This is it. Let me show. I think every one of us, are we seeing my screen, please? Please, are you seeing my good?
Yes.
Look, this is not IPC, this is Alpha Trade. This is Alpha Trade. Now I'm going to show us something funny here. Alpha Trade customer performance. Let me check everything. Customer performance, customer lifetime report. Let me go down. This is activity since ever. Okay, let me run reports. Let me see if I don't make a mistake. Look, these are my referral program on IPC. Mr. Andrew, are you there?
Yes, sir.
This is your name here. You are one of my referral on.
Yes.
Look at this. Look at this. This is affiliate commission I withdrew from Alpha Trade in 1 month. This is $2,238. And if Alpha Trade can pay me this on just about 5 or 10 people, less than 10 people I refer with my links in a month, then why are we so amazed with what IPC is paying us? IPC is not paying us, they are paying us token. If I thought they pay you $50,000 every Saturday, they make more than that from spread. They are paying. This is not IPC, this is another broker. And I can keep on showing you. Let me go to another broker, Forex for you. Forex for you in 2021, I withdrew more than $10,000 as an IB. Let me see if I can quickly go there. Forex for you. So it's not about IPC is paying too much. If you know what Forex broker is making from you, you will know that what they are paying us is nothing. I got experience in this industry and more than 21 years as a Forex trader. And I know what I'm telling every one of us. I'm coming. Let me try to see if I can log into my Forex, what do we call this one? Okay, let me log in. I can log in front of everyone. I don't have anything to hide. For some of us that are saying it's a scam, it's a this, it's nice. Yes. When you look at that kind of profit, you can see it's a scam. But because people like me have done IB program for a very long time, brokers make millions of dollars every day. So if they pay me $50,000 on Saturday, it's nothing to what they have made from me. This is another broker I'm dealing with as an IB. If I come here, you see $16 here. Let me see if it's going to be possible for me to check this account. This account gave me more than $10,000 in 2021 as a referral. So the same thing IPC is doing. This is my IPC account. You can see somebody has even thrown away his money today. This is the commission I've made. So what they do is they are selling their robots for you, like these people on this platform are selling. This official site of Meta 5, and you can see millions of people that are making good money, but they are not IPC. They are making money from people copying them. So what IPC does is we are copying their trade, but the only thing is they created MT4 for us, for all of us to copy their trades, and they sold their software for all of us to have access to that software, and they are sharing profits on, they create a networking platform for us to make more money from people we bring to them, and which I'm doing as an IB on Alpha Trade. Alpha Trade doesn't give me that facility. They make me to be independent. So IPC gave me a facility not for me to be independent. They make me to have a networking program that can sustain me, my income, because I make phone calls to some people, I drove to some people's house, and it's paying me back for my ad labor. So that is how IPC works. I don't know, maybe I'm not out of scope. I don't know, maybe I've answered Mr. Adewale Nana.
Well, you have tried. I can see that we are out of time, but you have tried to show me how they make money. and all that, because I was expecting to see a regulated broker, but more I'm seeing more like a regulated investment company.
No, Nana, IPC is not a broker. They sign up with a broker.
Okay.
They are just a traders like everybody I'm showing you here. But they have their software for us to copy. They are not a broker. You can never see them as a broker. They are not broker. But they got a license. They got a license as somebody who have people's money in their custodian. That's why Fintech license. That's why Isaac. But they are not a broker.
Exactly, because basically when you put your money into a trading account, you know, like it's more like when you put your money into a trading account, it's more like you're putting your money with a broker and all that. And then by the time you say, okay, you have this book, every brokerage company has a book. They can have what we call an A book or a B book, depending on how they manage their book and all that.
Correct,
so basically, those terms may be bigger technical terms for for people on this platform. But I'm sure I can always hit you up on this anytime.
Correct,
I just heard about IPC yesterday, and I'm still making my research.
Correct,
basically.
Sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
Let's look at this person. Look at Ahmed Said Qatar. Look at how many people copying his trade. 115 people, and he's collecting $33 per month. The only thing IPC did is they buy a server. Are we there? Are we still hearing me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, they bought a server, MT4 server, instead of them to do this for us, to copy them like the other people, these people that are making business like this, they create a server and put all of us in one server so that we don't have a latency problem. We can copy as fast as possible, but they are not a broker. They are just a trader that are selling signals. But the only problem, the reason why they have a license is because our money is in their custodian. Because if they are a broker, our money will be in their custodian too. If you register with Alt Forex, Forex Time, you put your money in their bank account. So your money is their custodian. That's why they have regulated license. So what? Because our money is a custodian of Intelligence Prime Capital. That's why they have to go and get those licenses. Fintech and ASIC, but they are not a broker.
So in other words, you are saying that IPC is not a broker; they have their own broker. Is that what you are saying?
Correct.
Or who is providing the liquidity for IPC?
Correct, sir.
Okay. Do we know the broker that they use?
No, they didn't disclose that. The reason why they didn't disclose that is that because they are using arbitrage. A smart person can know if you're a private, because when they are IPC doesn't have one broker. For them to be able to trade arbitrage, they have a lot of chain of brokers. They have like 4 or 5. Because if you understand arbitrage technology,
I know arbitrage. Yes.
So that's why they cannot tell.
You are just looking for shortfall between brokers. So just
but if IPC tell me all their brokers, I may not even sign up with them because I know the technology. I will start trading arbitrage myself. Yes, correct, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. So our time is exhausted. I love this section too much. So if we don't have any question, I'm going to call it a day. Then next webinar, I'm going to post it in the group and you can join us. I don't focus on business aspect of the program. I focus on a technical aspect of the program. Thank you, everyone, and good night.
Thank you so much. Can you please add me to the group?
I will do that, sir.
Okay.
Good night,
Thank
everyone.
You so much.
Bye-bye. Good night. Yeah.
All right. Good night.
Yeah.